morning, everybody. This is Dr. Apoor Mehra. I represent Conceptual Orthopedics, and with me is a young orthopedic surgeon, Dr. Naeem. And this is a moment which I feel is a proud moment for the entire family. And before we go ahead with the interview, Dr. Naeem, please tell us the name of your parents.
Sir, my father's name is Mr. Abdul Muttalib Katgi, sir. And my mother, who actually inspired me, encouraged me a lot to get into medicine, Mrs. Late Hasina Ban. And my present mother, Fahima Akhtar, who also supported me a lot.
Fantastic. And Naeem, what made you think about orthopedics as a branch? And the roots are usually from the medical college. You belong to which medical college?
Sir, I did my MBBS from Sri Siddhartha Medical College, Tumkur, sir, in Karnataka.
Right. And then you entered post-graduation into orthopedics at which institute?
Sir, I did my DNB from Care Hospital, Banjara Hills, Hyderabad.
Fantastic. So Banjara Hills is a phenomenal place with lots of wonderful halls around.
Yes,
and
sir.
it happens to be one of the favorite destinations when I come to Hyderabad.
Yes,
I
sir.
used to travel to Hyderabad 6 to 8 times in a year before I stopped traveling too much.
Yes.
And I think it's so beautiful. And
Yes.
all the IMAX and INOX halls there are just phenomenal. So why orthopedics?
Sir, I was basically inspired by you in the year 2011 when I was preparing for my post graduation. I attended your classes in Bhatia. I'm a very old student of yours.
Young
I
student.
tried initially for 2 to 3 years. I couldn't get through. But in the year 2017, I said to myself, let me give a last try. So I prepared for 2 months, and luckily, by God's grace, I got through.
Persistence is the key.
Yes, sir, definitely.
If you really want something very bad, you will finally get it anyways. Fantastic.
Yes.
It is a story to inspire a lot of young people, telling me about how far can you go. That's excellent. And Naeem, during the course of orthopedics,
Yes, sir.
are you loving the subject?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Right. I loved orthopedics because the results were instantaneous. The report card was immediately on the OT table, and after the surgery is over. What do you love about orthopedics?
Yes, sir. The thing I love about orthopedics is the difference we can make in the quality of life of anyone who comes to us with a complaint.
Beautiful. So, Naeem, how did you get in touch with conceptual orthopedics?
Sir, I was aware about conceptual orthopedics through social media and all. The main thing, one of my senior Dr. Saad Atnikar, who happened to be your subscriber as well, he was the one who actually encouraged me to take the subscription of conceptual orthopedics. So that was the main reason. Although I came to know about the app a lot earlier, but there were things which got me delayed in taking the subscription. But finally, I took it, and I'm glad that I took it.
So, how were you utilizing the app? How were you using the app? What were you doing? Were you reading the notes, or were you looking at the videos or the live session? What were you doing in the app?
So to be frank, I subscribed very late, keeping the practicals in mind. I had already finished my theory. So I initially started with attending the conceptual connect sessions, which were very useful. The main highlight of any lecture in conceptual orthopedics are all of them are interactive sessions, and the way the faculty gets the students involved into it, it's really amazing. They never feel us. They never let us down. So even if we don't know anything, they guide us to the answer. That was the best thing I loved about the app. Initially, I started with attending the conceptual connect classes. Then I started seeing the lectures of previous OSCE sessions, and I was more interested towards the basic sciences section also. Basic sciences sections and the surgical approaches sections, to name a few. So this is how then, once the practical dates were out, then we had classes every day. So had very little time to sway on any side. So it was totally focused towards OSCE and clinical examination.
Fantastic. So Naeem, you have described it in the core. Now I'll go back to the specific teachers. As of any educational program that will ever run in the world, it will be the quality of the seasoned teachers which will decide the quality of the content finally.
Yes, sir.
We are blessed to have the mentors, the legends, the icons of orthopedic world in the app. So what do you feel about these teachers? Professor S.M. Tuli, sir.
Sir, SM Tuli sir is a living legend, sir.
Right.
Words are not enough to describe anything about it.
I know it. Each word that he speaks is a book. Professor Sudhir Kumar, sir.
Sir, Sudhir Kumar sir, the way he teaches us the clinical examination, the approach to the patient, it's simply phenomenal, sir. He makes it look so easy.
Right. Naeem, Professor Anil Dhal, sir, when you talk about conceptual correct, he's been holding the front on every Thursday.
Yes, sir.
How it has been with him?
Sir, it has been a tremendous journey with Anil Dhal, sir. So, just like Sudhir Kumar, sir, Anil Dhal, sir, is also phenomenal. His classes on hand and microsurgery were really helpful. Really helpful. He makes one of the complex topics very easy.
Wonderful. What about Professor Shantaram Shetty, sir?
Sir, Shantaram Shetty, sir, he was mostly dealing with the trauma aspect of orthopedics. So, trauma is the thing which initially always fascinates an orthopedic surgeon.
I agree.
So, he will make you think nothing other than trauma. You'll feel like I should do only trauma in my life.
Wonderful. And then the way he operates, such a smooth way,
Yes,
relaxed
sir.
composure. And similarly, one more person who's very relaxed during his approach, Professor V.B. Bhasin, sir.
Yes, sir. V.B. Bhasin, sir's classes on arthroscopy and pediatric ACL injuries, to name a few, have been exceptional.
Phenomenal. I agree. And the ever energetic Dr. Ravinder Dimri, sir.
My favorite teacher.
I know. He'll just tune into you and then get you on this. Now he can just take up any topic. You have an emotional connect. Your eyes shine up with his name. Going on to Dr. Ajit Kumar, how did you feel about him?
Sir, one thing in common about every faculty on conceptual orthopedics was the way they encouraged us to come to the answer. They never made us feel that we don't know a thing. So this is same for Ajit sir also.
Right. Then I think when you spoke about trauma, and if I don't take the name,
Shailesh Pai sir.
All right. So how do you feel about his energy and this thing?
Sir, sir's classes were really helpful, sir. Really helpful. The way he deals with complex topics such as pelvovestibular trauma and all, he simplifies things.
Never.
We just enjoy the journey with.
Yeah. And his concepts and his approach and the way he deals with it I think is phenomenal.
Definitely.
And Naeem, we have recorded a lot of lectures with him. He had come to Delhi and we have done a lot of live recordings. Yes, although you will need it now for your practice and SRship, but I think those recordings have come out even better. The new ones that we're releasing now. About the pediatric orthopedic session, Professor Gopa Kumar and Dr. Fahim.
Yes, sir. Sir, they have been Gopa Kumar sir and Fahim sir. They have been very good in guiding us about the basics as well as the advances in pediatric orthopedics. And to be specific, Gopa Kumar sir's ward round portion is extremely helpful. Extremely helpful. Every orthopedics resident must see it.
Beautiful. What about Dr. Harpreet?
So Harpreet sir, shoulder, he will not leave any doubt as far as shoulder is concerned.
And it's
Starting from clinical examination to all the surgeries involved.
right. Naeem, were you able to attend to our courses like the sports course, like Dr. Raju Ishwaran's lecture, Dr. Shekhar Srivastav lecture? Were you able to go to them?
Sir, I actually subscribed after these courses were over, but I heard a few lectures of Raju Ishwaran sir. If I want to imitate someone in teaching, the style, the accent, the confidence and all, it would be Raju Ishwaran sir.
And you know that your voice matches with his voice and energy a lot. I think I'll pass on this message to him for sure.
Sir, I'll be happy if I match in his knowledge and skills also, sir. If I come close at least.
I agree. I agree. For he is one of the youngest, but knowledge-wise, he's one of the greats. I agree. I can't agree more. How did you find the arthroplasty section, Professor Graichin, Dr. Ashish, and other teachers taking place for that?
Sir, the orthoplasty section, Professor Grechen's, in Professor Grechen's section, I have seen all his videos on unicompartmental knee replacements. It was extremely helpful because, as you know, even now unicompartmental knee replacements are not very common in India. We were about to do a few cases, so I had gone through the lectures. They were really helpful. Right. And Ashish Taneja sir also makes hip so simple. And to mention Shekhar Agarwal sir's classes on knee arthroplasty also were excellent.
Fantastic. So Naeem, since you had so much respect for all the teachers, you know what was the gift you got in return from conceptual orthopedics? You got a basic idea of how the exam will be, but it was your hard work, your knowledge, your focus, along with the blessings of your parents.
Definitely.
Along with a little support from conceptual orthopedics, you have scored a phenomenal 193 in NB, the DNB exam. I think this is a great score today, yesterday, and tomorrow. And not many can achieve what you have done, young man. And trust me, all the years of waiting for this grant and this degree will finally be absolutely worth it. And I'm sure one day everybody in this country and abroad will know this name, Dr. Naeem Siddiqui. And I hope that you rise and shine, and you also make your parents proud of what you have done, your entire family proud of what you have done. But most importantly, you keep serving the humanity. And remember the tagline, the learning never ends. As Professor S.M. Tuli sir says, study every day, even for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, but read every day. And that is what is the golden line. A doctor has to learn every day. The day he does not, he dies. And Naeem, I'm sure with the new inception of the conceptual orthopedics medals, you are going to be a top contender for the 2021 gold medal of CO. And I hope that we meet in Delhi on 12th, 13th, and 14th November when we host you for the award.
I would be eagerly looking forward.
It was absolutely phenomenal talking to you, young man. All the very best, and please congratulate your family on my behalf. Bye.
Sure. Yes. Thank you.
Bye.
It was very nice talking with you.
Same here. Bye-bye.